Burn it to the ground. Shocking story. How someone tried to kill a man for growing and selling vegetables. Alec had always been proud of his small farm, providing fresh, organic produce to his community at a low cost. But his success would soon draw the attention of some unsavory characters, determined to seize control and make a profit themselves. One night, while Alec was sleeping, his house was set ablaze. He and his family barely escaped with their lives, and he knew that his farm was now in grave danger. But Alec was not one to back down easily. He knew he had to fight back. In the days that followed, Alec worked and researched to find a way to make his farm portable. Using his carpentry skills and some low-cost supplies, he was able to build a hidden aquaponics pocket farm, hidden from the evil men. The evil men searched high and low for Alec and his farm, but they could not find it. Meanwhile, Alec continued to provide fresh food to his community. Eventually he was able to get video evidence from a hidden camera revealing the identities of the men that tried to burn down his home. He reached out to the police, and they issued warrants for the men's arrest. Finally, the day came when the police were able to do a surprise raid against the evil men, catching them off guard and arresting them in the middle of the night. With the threat to his farm finally extinguished, Alec was happy, but he could not rest easy. Alec is warning that something else is coming to endanger the nation's food supply. Click the link below this video and see the video about the real farmer and what he says about a great danger that is already happening in America that will affect the food supply.